And our invention is a low-cost, sustainable fish food for the orphans in Kenya to feed to their tilapia, which is their fish. The most fun part, I would say, was probably making all of the inventions. Like we have so many cool things. Like we created like a paddle wheel, and it's huge. It's like 20 by 20. I don't know. It's huge. And we made like a solar dehydrator, and it's like they're all our inventions, and they just look so cool. It's fun to make. The most challenging part was probably the ingredients, because the fish food has to be like, we had the challenge of trying to find like waste products of the Tharaka region, so it was hard to find stuff that the tilapia will actually eat. 2 years ago, Mrs. Grotto, our teacher sponsor, she traveled to Tharaka, Kenya, and she's seen like a bunch of products, like a bunch of problems, like a lack of infrastructure, a lack of clothing, and then a lack of water. So she was like, all right, I gotta try to fix this problem. So she funded a whale, and then she furthered the project by getting an aquaponic system for the tilapia. But then the tilapia wasn't really getting the nutrients they needed, so this is when the next problem arose. Mrs. Grotto is actually planning to make a trip to go down there to build a small prototype, and then hopefully when it gets better down there, because there's a lot of like stuff going on down there, hopefully when it gets better, she plans to bring as many people as she can so we can implement the whole infrastructure.